done long before it all becomes. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know we both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So
What the? Is somebody else in this room? Oh, heck no. Get me out of here. Why does it look like so... Oh, this is... Oh, no. Oh, no. Why it look like somebody in this room already? I'm going back to the front desk. Hold on. Why it look like somebody in that room? Yo, it looks like somebody else is in that room. Hold on. Because y'all got me... Like, they have a bag in there and everything. I'll be back. Hold on. What's up, y'all? All right, this is my first time using this. This is actually my best friend's camera. Shout out to you, Dante. We just got to the Atlanta airport. We're about to go to Houston and then Galveston tomorrow. So stay tuned. We're about to go through security and this is very interesting. So yeah, let's do it.
and secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know we both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny the
What's up, y'all? So we just got to our gate. We are heading to Houston Hobby for our first cruise. We're getting out of Galveston, but we're gonna go to Houston. I'm gonna spend a day, like a self-care day in Houston. Super excited. And then go to Galveston tomorrow to board our first cruise. We're taking Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas. So super duper excited. It's a beautiful day outside, and yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be an amazing trip in Jesus' name. So shout out to my best friend Danae for letting me borrow her GoPro. I'm super excited. Thank you so much. I love you to death, to life. Yeah, so see y'all soon.
For reseating, fast
So
one
we are
inside.
on
So once you slide the back in the vent, please turn it up on inside like a book on the bookshelf. If you're having trouble with that, there is a diagram in the back of the vent that shows you how to put the bag.
behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. But no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No.
What the? Is somebody else in this room? Oh, heck no. Get me out of here. Why does it look like so... Oh, this is... Oh, no. Oh, no. Why it look like somebody in this room already? I'm going back to the front desk. Hold on. Why it look like somebody in that room? Yo, it looks like somebody else is in that room. Hold on. Because y'all got me tripped. Like, they have a bag in there and everything. I'll be back. Hold on. Hey, by any chance, is somebody else already in that room?
Shouldn't be. You said Restful, right?
Yeah, there's a suitcase in there, a half drinking Coke, and a book.
What?
434.
Yeah, the room is telling me it's vacant ready. But let me move you to another room. I'm so sorry about
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Y'all, that's never happened to me before, so let's see if the next room, and I was not impressed at all by that room, to be honest with y'all. Like, the outside of the hotel looks great, but the inside of that room, I hope this next room does not look like that. All right, this is better. This is 1000% better It's still like a mid hotel, but it's better. That scared the life out of me. What the hell? But what's up, y'all? All right, so I just want to give y'all a brief rundown of why I'm here this, that, and the third. So this is a family cruise. We are going to Galveston. So I was supposed to go to Galveston with them, but a couple nights ago, I was like, I'm working really hard, and like I just wanted a day to like get a hotel and enjoy myself. Like go take myself out to dinner, all that good stuff. So I said, you know what? I'm sure there's nothing to do in Galveston, which I don't know because I just really believe that people go there for boarding the ship. So I said, you know, I'm just gonna get a hotel in Houston, right by the airport, and I'll just go to Galveston tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing here. Hotel is cool. I don't really like the floors, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I am getting a little tired now. Have some food that I'm about to heat up, so I'm about to heat that up, take me a shower, and then just figure out what I'm about to get into. Might take a quick little nap. I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm a night owl, so I'll be up at night. But yeah, y'all, so that's what I'm doing here, and yeah, see y'all soon. I'm about to get in the shower, wake up. It's 7:40 p.m. I didn't come all the way here to sleep, so I'm about to get up. Oh my gosh. That was something different, man. Something freaking different, bro. See y'all in a second. Hold on.
But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay here. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, oh, stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
What's up, beautiful people? I'm not even gonna keep it long. I had a great night. I am exhausted. See y'all on a cruise. But that's it for this vlog. I hope that I was able to help y'all out, but I'm really tired. Just got on my Uber. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Have a blessed night, y'all. Until next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all